Assalamualaikum and hi. So in this video I will explain on how to find the vertex point of a quadratic function. Okay, but before that let me recall about concave up and concave down. So that is very simple. Whenever the value of a is positive, then the quadratic function will be concave up, okay, smiling because it's positive, right? And whenever a is negative, then the graph will be concave down, or the set graph, okay? And a refers to this value in the quadratic function, right? Y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. So it depends on this value, the value of a. Okay, so the vertex point will be either the lowest point or the highest point on the quadratic graph. Okay, so to find vertex point is quite easy. We have formula for that. So vertex point will be in this form, right? X comma y. That means it will have x coordinate and also y coordinate, and we have formula for both. Okay, but I would recommend you to memorize only one of the formula, which is for x coordinate, because it's simpler than the formula for y coordinate of a vertex point. Okay, so the formula to find the vertex point, the x coordinate of the vertex point is given by negative b over 2a. Okay, so this small v is to indicate this is the x coordinate of the vertex point. Okay, and actually we have the formula to find y coordinate of the vertex point, which is given by 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Okay, and as I have mentioned earlier, it will be sufficient if you memorize only this formula. Okay, why? I will explain about that soon. Okay, so let me show you one example. Okay, let's say we are going to consider this quadratic function, y equals to x squared plus x minus 12. Okay, so from the given quadratic function, let's extract out the value of a. So what is a? The coefficient of x squared, that is 1, and then b, the coefficient of x, that is also 1, and then the c is negative 12. Okay, and then we can simply use this formula to find the x coordinate of the vertex. X coordinate of the vertex is negative b over 2a. Negative, okay, negative is part of the formula. Okay, so don't miss the negative sign. B is 1 over 2 times 1, and that's negative 1 over 2. Okay, once we have found the x coordinate of the vertex, what you can do, you can simply replace this into y, okay, into the original function. Okay, so y vertex will be negative 0.5 squared plus negative 0.5 minus 12. Okay, and then use your calculator. Negative 0.5 squared plus minus, this will be minus, right? Minus 0.5 minus 12, and that's negative 12.25. Okay, so whenever you replace the x coordinate of the vertex into the given function, you will straight away get the y coordinate of the vertex. So you don't need to memorize this formula, right? Because it will be sufficient if you can, once you have found x coordinate of the vertex, you can simply replace back into the original function to get the y coordinate of the vertex. Okay, so the vertex point is negative 1/2 comma negative 12.25, or you can also write negative 0.5 comma negative 12.25. Alright, and then from the value of a, okay, which is positive, then you will have the smiling graph. That means the vertex point is the minimum. The vertex point is the minimum point because you are having a concave arc graph, so the vertex will be the lowest point on the graph. Okay, so it's minimum. Alright, so I hope you will work on more questions on finding the vertex point. Okay, and any questions, do let me know. Thank you so much.